My video guide will provide you with detailed instructions on how to effectively remove fake browser update alerts that come from the website Loadheavilyfreetheproduct.vip. This is a fake browser update alert. It mainly targets Google Chrome browser, even though other Chromium-based browsers may also be infected by these pop-ups. Such pop-ups tell that customers need to download and install some browser update, but in reality, dealing with such pop-ups is extremely risky. In fact, you may be forced to download and install some unwanted browser extensions that may hijack your important browser settings, your default homepage, default search engine, and other settings too. In some other cases, you may simply be brought to some other questionable websites. If any third-party extensions were installed into your Google Chrome, access the menu, go to More Tools, then choose Extensions. So carefully research the list of extensions that you might find here. If you find any third-party extensions, disable and remove them completely. Now, to make sure that the system is free of other threats, I do recommend researching with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your device to detect and delete other possible infections from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.